Every beginning carries a possibility, a choice, a risk, moments built on trust, promise, potential. For Loctite thread lockers, it began in a lab decades ago. But for the professionals who depend on reliable threaded assemblies, the story continues every day. It's the moment everything starts to move, powering on the assembly line, securing the bolts that keep your machines running, starting the engine after a repair. The questions never change. Will it hold? Will it last? Will it work when it matters most? Whether you're designing and building tomorrow's innovation or maintaining and repairing the equipment that makes it, you face new challenges every day. But when it comes to trusted, reliable performance, there's only one answer. Bolt by bolt, thread by thread, drop by drop. Loctite thread lockers have been here from the very start, delivering reliability into every challenge. Because tomorrow is another day of new beginnings.